You know, my goal this year was to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of December. And guess what number we're at? It's only October 1st! I think we should celebrate. I personally can think of no better way to celebrate than to give back to the community that got me to the 50,000 subscriber mark. So in concert with Die Hard Dice, Chris over at Die Hard Dice sent me some free stuff to give out to you. So rather than do one giveaway, I want to give you 3 because he gave me some amazing stuff here. So we're going to start off first with the Dark Arts Undertow set. It comes with the ye old Shakespearean insult generator. Both of these metal sets do, and I just gotta say I love the blue... Hold up! This is how you kick off a giveaway right here. Okay, so I love the gold, the blue, and the black. I think they are phenomenal. It's a great color combination together. This really is kind of the ultimate drow set, and each of them is so visible. I would have thought that the blue and the black wouldn't have worked well together, but they do. So this is set number 1. One winner out of the 3 winners will get that one. The second winner will get this set here, which is the Celestial Harbinger set. I thought, honestly, that these weren't going to be one of my favorites looking at the website, but the website does not do it justice at all. There's so much glitter into the white part, and the purple is this strange kind of matte, and it really does give you this out-of-world feel. This would be perfect for a Celestial Warlock of some sort. Let's talk about the third one, because the third set is a little bit different. It's going to be 2 dice things or styles in one. First off, it's this Moonstone Dreamwalker set, which on its own is just pure, it's just eye candy. That's why Instagram and Twitter are just filled with pictures of these, because they do look this awesome. All the different colors behind the black ink there that's a little transparent really shine, and no matter how you turn it, you're going to find a new color on there. So I really do like the Moonstone Dreamwalker set. It deserves the popularity. But with it, because it's plastic, I wanted to also give the Dire D20. I didn't want to give either of them on their own. I wanted it to be of equal value, and the Dire D20 is awesome. It's the Mythica Dark Iron, and it is a heavy beast. It's bigger than your normal D20, and I think it will add an awesome centerpiece to anybody's dice collection. So with that, that's the 3 giveaways. That's what I wanted to give away as a thank you back to all the people who have made this past 2 months just wonderful. You all have turned something that was just a side hobby to something that really and truly could be a future career for me, and it's just a dream. So thank you. I'm not there yet, but we're aiming there, because I have this awesome Dice Goblin army who deserves fancy click clacks like these, so I'm happy to give them to you. The link for the giveaway will be in the description of this video down below. It's one link. You just have to enter all the stuff one time, and then you will be entered for all 3 of the different dice sets. So again, thank you for everything that you've done. Please subscribe if you might want to see some more videos like this, or enter for some more giveaways, because if this keeps happening, I'm definitely going to keep it coming. And if you buy stuff from Die Hard Dice, name drop me so that I can do more giveaways like this, because that's how this one came about. But really and truly, I just want to say thank you. Now have an amazing week.